How to delete block number in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can delete blocked number in WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete blocked number in WhatsApp, all you have to do is open up the WhatsApp Messenger app, tap on the three dots option from the top right, and then just go to the option called settings. And once you go to this option right here known as settings, you'll find one of the options that says privacy here. So when you tap on privacy over here and then you scroll down, you should be able to find all this, where you'll find the option known as blocked contacts. So when you go to block contacts, and let's say you just happen to block someone over here, so let me select a person, and then you just happen to block someone. In this case, what happens over here is that if you want to delete this block number, you have to unblock it. You cannot just remove them from the block list without actually unblocking them. If you want to remove them from the block list and delete it, you have to unblock this number, and there's no any other way. So hope this video helped you understand the questions. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.